Today is such a beautiful day outside, and I wanted to share an encouraging message because the weather is perfect. The weather is so perfect, and look, the sun is shining so bright in the sky. My goodness, it's so beautiful. I love the Creator. I love how when I want to step out and be productive, it's like I'm rewarded by nature. And I had two songs stuck in my head. Even from yesterday is the Three Little Birds song by Bob Marley. And it's like, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Yeah, don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, this is my message to you. I love that song so much. That was the chorus. Then the other song popped into my head because it's like I was thinking. On the truck is kind of loud. It's a delivery truck. I was thinking yesterday. I was like, I took myself out and I went to get some halal guys, and I went to get like a dessert, some baklava, and I went to the movies and I saw The Wild Robot, and that was such a good movie. Oh my gosh. But highly recommend anybody watch it, But anyway, it was like this feeling of being embraced by nature. And it's like I came back and I was like, wow, what would we do in life, if we were already embraced by nature? What would we do if we didn't have to worry about, our next step, or like money, or where we were gonna live? Like, what would we do if we had no worries and we could just live in nature in harmony with the animals, And I love seeing this tree. I don't know what type of tree it is, but it's so soft. So soft. Anyway, I'm like thinking, this song, and it's like, every step I take in you. You make me move, Jesus. Every breath I breathe in you. Ooh, ooh, ooh. And it's like, that's the chorus of it. But then it's like, there's another part of the song that sticks in my head, and it's like, waves of mercy, waves of grace, everywhere I look, I see your face. Your love has captured me. Oh my God, this love, how can it be? La 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la, la 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 la. I need to drink some tea to reach those higher notes clearly. I'm not a professional singer, so I also wanted to say that. But those are kind of the songs that have been stuck in my head. I'm trying to wait to cross the street, my goodness. So, yeah. And I feel like somebody needed to hear that today. So, I hope you all have a great, fantastic day, and go out in nature, because it's been raining like all week, and today is the only day that's been forecasted to be above 80 degrees. I think like 83, but the sun will be out like the whole day. So go out and enjoy the sun.